Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Coin. I want to take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole, because today, the altcoins are getting hit pretty hard. Not all of them, but some of them. But I want to take a look at that. But without further ado, we're at 11,300 subscribers. We're giving away a loaded line NFT at 25,000 subscribers, and there's going to be many giveaways along the way. So subscribe right now. Let's hop in this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin dominance is coming up because the altcoins are coming down. I think Solana is down significantly. I think we're about, what are we down here? About 7% on the day. We have, everything's coming down really except Bitcoin's holding up, which is to be expected, guys. This is what I've been calling for the past few months. This year, leading into the Bitcoin halving, it does this. It wrecks the bulls. And it wrecks the bears. It does both things, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. We're wrecking the bulls right now, guys. Bitcoin dominance, I expect this to come up to somewhere probably near the 55% as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving, which is going to be pretty brutal for a lot of the altcoins. I don't think that we're going to have massive sell-offs, but I do think that you're going to see the altcoins bleed against Bitcoin. When you exclude stablecoins right now, we're sitting at about 50.61%. Bitcoin dominance has come up about 0.5% in the past 2 days. So I do see this I do expect this to continue to tick up in the short term, but in the next year here, leading to the Bitcoin halving, I expect it to tick up a decent amount to bring us to somewhere around 55%. As we get closer to the Bitcoin halving, we'll be able to see a better idea of where we're going to be headed. But Solana is coming down because there's lots of FUD about FTX and Alameda, whoever it may be, dumping something in the region of $680 million worth of Solana, which is a relatively big chunk. I mean, the market cap is $7.4 billion, so that's about a seventh worth of the entire market cap of Solana. So people are panicking, but I'm not stressed out. You guys know I'm a Solana bull. I'm a CRO bull. I've got my favorite picks, and I have my reasons for it, but that's for a different video. But let's continue on with this, because right now Bitcoin is trading sideways, just as I expected. I mean, we're going to be trading sideways for a while, guys. I really do think that we'll probably be chopping in this channel between 25,300 and 26,300 for an extended period of time. I do expect September to be a bearish month, and we are seeing that play out as we speak right now. I do think that there is a chance here that we capitulate down to 21,000, maybe 22,000 area in September, but I'm not going to lean into that. I'm really not going to lean into that. I think that there's a higher likelihood of sideways chop here for an extended period of time with a quick capitulation, not that deep, but a quick capitulation to 21,200, and with a nice little bounce off it as we get close to the halving. Because, guys, there will be Bitcoin halving hype articles coming out. When you start to see that, just know that the mainstream media and the big financial institutions are gearing up for a crypto bull market. So be prepared for that. Keep your eyes open, guys. Be ready for that. Have your positions ready for when these Bitcoin halving articles come out. Keep your eyes open. Over on Coin, we are bouncing up off of the bottom, which is, I do like to see this, because we did close out this wick here at 0.0489 cents, 498 cents, excuse me, and we got the daily candle close to close out that wick. And when it comes to wicks and closing them out, something that I've noticed over the years of paying close attention to different charts, especially in the crypto space, when you get a big capitulation wick like this and it gets bought up immediately, usually when it's really shakes people out, when it's a significant move, usually this wick needs to be closed out. But when there's just sideways chop and a little move to the downside, I don't necessarily believe that those wicks need to be closed out. They want to be, but usually it's only the big wicks it's a phenomenon that they are usually the wicks that get closed out over an extended period of time. But the smaller wicks, I mean, there's many cases of something like this. I mean, a couple cents or a minimal 0.001 1% price move. It doesn't necessarily have to be closed. But we are bouncing off of that, which is very nice to see. I would like us to trade up and touch this 5.5 cent level. I would like to try to test that before we get a capitulation event on Bitcoin. But guys, I will say that I do think that we probably, unfortunately, will come back down here, especially if Bitcoin comes down to 21,000. Even if we trade sideways right now in the $25,000 range, I do lean into the idea that Crocoin's going to come down here because I expect Bitcoin to gain more dominance. I really do. I expect Bitcoin to get up to about 55%, excluding stablecoins, because right now we're sitting at about 50.5, so we're about 4.5% away. I mean, I do see that happening, guys. So be careful. Be careful if you're trying to layer into altcoins right now. I mean, if you're trying to layer into altcoins for an extended period of time, like for the next bull market, a 10% shift from this point to a 10% shift to the downside, and you buy either in those positions, it's not really going to make a massive difference. But if you're trying to scalp and make quick trades, I'd be very, very careful investing right now in altcoins. I would be. Also, quick little thing because of how we're in the market right now. I gave a little question out there over on 333 Blacksea. This is my Twitter. Go follow me there. I'm almost at 3,200 followers. Pretty excited about that. Thank you so much for that, guys. I said, what is the #1 NFT project with the most potential to grow, in your opinion? I really want to know, guys. If you invest in NFTs, go over to my Twitter, 333 Blacksea, and let me know what you think is the best NFT project with the most potential to grow, because many NFT projects come out, they boom and they bust. They boom and they bust. And very few stick around and really start to build a product. Very, very few of them do that. I have a few in my mind, but I'm not going to taint your opinion with my opinion on this. So go over there and let me know what you think. Also, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each and every month leading into the Bitcoin halving to one loyal member. Very excited to do that. Each month it will be a different member, to clarify, but each and every month we will be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin. I'm super excited about that. I love giving back to you guys, but that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.